If you want to embed a form in Framer, you have two main options, depending on what you need. The first and most recommended method is using Framer's built-in Forms component. Open your project, go to the Insert panel, navigate to Forms, and choose the Form Builder. Drag it onto your canvas and customize the fields like name, email, or any other inputs you need. You can configure form actions directly in the Settings panel, such as setting up email notifications. The biggest advantage of native forms is full styling control inside Framer, so you can adjust spacing, colors, hover states, and make sure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. The second option is embedding a third-party form. This works well if you're using tools like Jotform or Typeform. Simply copy the form URL or embed code from your form provider. Then, in Framer, drag an embed component onto your canvas and paste the code into the Properties panel. Your external form will load directly inside your page. If you need more advanced features, you can also explore plugins like the Typeform integration for additional flexibility. That's it. Use native Framer forms for full design control and simplicity, or use the embed element to integrate powerful third-party form tools.